Imagine this. You've just landed an interview for your dream job. Everything's going perfectly until they ask, "Can you share your GitHub link?" Suddenly, panic kicks in. Not because you don't have a GitHub account, but because it's filled with unfinished projects. These were projects you were once passionate about, but life happened. New ideas came, and old ones got abandoned. And just like karma, those forgotten, incomplete projects come back to haunt you. Right at the moment everything could change. While some people might still get the job without a strong GitHub portfolio, more than 50% won't. But don't worry, in this video, I'll not only break down why you keep jumping from project to project, but also share the secret to overcoming that bad habit for good. So make sure to share this video, because someone out there is also stuck in this same cycle and you might just help change their life. Subscribe, like, and let's go. I remember just after finishing my React.js course, I got into the habit of hopping from one project to another, never completing anything. But after 2 years of inconsistency, I discovered a few powerful truths that changed everything. Since then, I've become far more focused, disciplined, and consistent with my ideas. Let me share those secrets with you. 1. Focus on the tip of the iceberg. When building a product, most of us focus on things that don't really matter, like tweaking button styles or designing the homepage, instead of the core functionality. Let's say you're building an app that helps teachers calculate students' results. Starting with the homepage might feel productive, but it's not the core. You spend hours tweaking CSS, and eventually you burn out before even touching the actual logic. I've been there. It's a trap. Start with what matters most. Build the core functionality first, the tip of the iceberg. Once that works, you can style it up later. This simple shift can help you see progress faster and stay motivated. 2. Set a deadly deadline. Elon Musk once said, "If you give yourself 30 days to complete a task, it'll take 30 days. But if you give yourself 7 days, it'll take 7. Most of us drag a one-day project for weeks. Telling yourself, "I'll come back to it tomorrow," is just a nice way of saying, "I'm not serious." And the danger? That behavior becomes a habit. Procrastination is a disease that spreads into every part of your life. But here is the cure. Create strict, almost impossible deadlines. Even when you feel tired, try to push through. Finishing that one last function will not only defeat procrastination, it will also boost your confidence and make you a better developer. But there's still one more secret. 3. Build in public. This one is a game changer. Building in public doesn't just help you get noticed, it keeps you accountable. Let's say you're working on an app that shows which homes in your area have the best internet connection. If you start sharing your progress online, people will begin to watch and ask questions. Suddenly, it doesn't feel like just an idea anymore. It becomes a responsibility. Even one DM from a follower asking, "How's the project going?" can be enough motivation to keep going. Put your projects out there. Don't hide your creativity. Conclusion. If you've watched this far, it shows how passionate you are about building things that matter. And I believe that success is yours only if you choose consistency. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with another developer who needs to hear this. Let's help each other grow, and may the code God bless you. Amen.